we have a big problem with Spain because they don't recognize our rights, they don't accept our will to organize this referendum.
We know that it's going to be very difficult, but we are in Europe, we are in the democracy, and I think that finally we will get our objectives.
3:15. Ara falta 1 hora i mitja perquè es formi aquesta cadena.
We need to be, really perseverant, consistent, because otherwise politicians will not move forward. I mean, we need this kind of scenes, scenarios, in order to prove that, politicians will have a back support from us. The beauty of this is that we are the ones provoking this. We are asking politicians to step up and be diligent enough to ask, some kind of a step ahead and a change, a huge change in the economical situation, because at the end of the day, that's what matters for our kids, for our generations. You see the line, and you see more than 3-4 generations looking for the same purpose.
A les 16:45 el primer coet, a les 17 el segon coet.
It's going to start officially at 5:14, that is 1714, that just to remind the loss of our rights in the 18th century.
Some neighbors of mine have traveled hundreds of kilometers.
Però ja està ple allà, ja us podeu quedar per aquí. Ja està ple, ja està ple.
You need a lot of people, a lot of volunteers telling people what to do, emailing them. I have received a lot of emails. You have to do this, you can do that. The organization was fantastic, has been fantastic.
Well, that is, just to prove that the line is going to go up from the north of Catalonia back to the Delta del Ebre, which is around 400 kilometers long.
Ens anem agafant de les mans ja?
Agafem-nos de les mans!
You're going to be having the whole scenography from up north to Catalonia down to South Delta del Ebre, full with pictures aligned all together.
Per fer una foto immensa tota la cadena a internet.
I hope that the international community will help us, and at the end I think that the Spanish government will have to accept our rights and will have to allow us to make this referendum.
We don't want to be part of Spain. We just want to declare that independence, and we have proven that economically speaking we can do that and we can afford it.
We can go on, we can do it. We can be an independent country and work without the rest of Spain.
Independencia! 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 Independencia!